I'm a guy from Vice Grip Garage. It's majestic, but nope, never driven one. Super fired up, 185 horsepower. I can't wait. It's gonna be good. Airbag lights on, seatbelt light, low tire pressure, anti-lock brake system fail, track lock system fail. Pretty good. I am pretty confident though, being in Tucson, that I could get a good radio station. Wish the CD player worked. I've got air conditioning, I've got a cooler. But I do have a cooler. It's so dumb. Why would you need a cooler in the middle? I'm just gonna enjoy the ride, and maybe I'll sneak up on the last lap or two. We'll see what happens. Well, for Pete's sake! My main goal is to roll Tony, let's be honest. Just putting it out there. We'll see what happens, you never know. Don't call me out. The tractor is, yes, I broke the tractor. The tractor is broken. Sorry, Jim. Is Jim in here?